Hi, I'm Dr. Vicki Peterson. I wanted to do a follow-up video to the one I did last week on Kim Kardashian, and she was diagnosed with, supposedly diagnosed with lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. And so these are all autoimmune diseases. She has psoriasis, which is an autoimmune disease, and I was given the little clip where she had an interview with her doctor, and he said, good news, you don't have lupus and you don't have rheumatoid arthritis. You just have psoriatic arthritis, which is sort of an extension of having psoriasis in some people, and it's fine, we can manage your symptoms, you're all good. And she was so ecstatic and all of this. So sure, yeah, I'm happy she doesn't have lupus and rheumatoid arthritis, but the reason I'm talking about this is that the problem with conventional medicine, and it gets me so mad, you see me sort of stumbling on my words here, is that it's just not fair that a young woman, mother of 4, and whether you're a woman or a man, the facts are that women are 3 times more likely to develop autoimmune disease, so we are more in the hot seat than men are. But a young woman in her 30s is, a doctor comes in and says, no problem, you're good. It's not good. It's not good. And what should be done for everyone with autoimmune disease is to educate them and to let them know that you can really get to the root of the problem. And what is the root of the problem is an immune system that's attacking you. So initially with whether it's psoriasis or eczema, it's attacking skin, and now it's attacking joints because it's the psoriatic arthritis. There's not just pain associated with that, but there's disability, long-term disability and fatigue, and there's a lot associated with having psoriatic arthritis, and it's not nothing. It's like, oh yeah, you're fine, just because it's not lupus or rheumatoid arthritis. And arthritis is an arthritis. It's going to create pain, it's going to create swelling, it's going to create deformation, deformity of joints, and you don't live a easy life with any kind of arthritis, and really no different with psoriatic. And this managing symptom mentality is really what makes us so sick, what makes us so ill, and it's just not fair that individuals are not told their options. Now, if somebody says, I don't want to change my diet, I don't want to know why, just give me the drug, okay, fine, that's your option. You're an adult, it's your machine, it's your body, you get to choose. But I would like it if more people knew their choice. And whether Kim knows that there's an option or everybody else with psoriatic arthritis knows there's an option, probably not, unless they're really just doing a deep dive into options and looking at alternatives to what they can do. And it is also concerning because when you have one autoimmune disease, you're 3 to 10 times more likely to develop another. That's a very real risk. And when you're only in your 30s, the likelihood is very high. And there is an underlying root cause, and there's so much that can be done about it that really turns one's life into what one wants, not being in pain, not being on dangerous drugs with very dangerous side effects. The facts are that immune suppressing drugs will increase your risk for cancer because you've suppressed your immune system. It increases your risk for infection. These are big dangers. So if you know anybody with autoimmune disease, please share this video with them, but more importantly, share this whole channel and my website, which is rootcausemedicalclinics.com, with them, because everybody deserves to know that there are options, and there's so much that can be done for autoimmune disease. We get to see it at the clinic all the time, and yes, there are dietary and lifestyle changes that are inherent in making these natural changes. And if that's not for you, that's totally fine. But for a lot of people, it is for them, and they would love to know how to get their body healthy naturally and not have to take dangerous drugs. And sure, it's not something where you change your diet today and tomorrow you no longer have autoimmune disease. The process takes often decades to develop, and to undo it, fortunately, can just take several months, which is pretty amazing. It's one of the things I love about the human body, how quickly it heals. But having that data, everybody deserves to have this data. So please share it with anyone you know who's suffering with any kind of autoimmune disease, and I hope this benefits someone you know or yourself. And if your health is not the way you want it to be, please consider reaching out. That's what we do here. The telephone number is 408-733-0400. We see patients from across the country, and we'd love to help you.